Hi! In this lesson, we are going to learn about the past tense. The time has come to learn how to say something one did in the past. In other words, how to use the past tense in Norwegian. In Norwegian, we use the past tense to talk about some event or action that happened and finished in the past. For example,
Jeg var på fest i går.
I was at a party yesterday.
Han reiste til Spania i fjor.
He traveled to Spain last year.
Jeg bodde i Tyskland i 2 år.
I was living in Germany for 2 years. Fortunately, in Norwegian, there is no difference between did and was doing. There is only one form. How do we make the past tense? Here, it is important to know that Norwegian has so-called strong, irregular, and weak, or regular verbs. It means that strong irregular verbs change differently and need to be memorized. Weak regular verbs take on an ending. Let's consider weak regular verbs first. The typical endings of these verbs in the past tense are te, te, de, double de. Many verbs with two consonants get the ending te. For example,
Danse, danset. Snakke, snakket.
Many verbs with a single consonant and get the ending te. For example,
Lese, leste. Lære, lærte.
Many verbs with ge, ve, I get the ending de.
Bygge, bygde.
Some short verbs ending with a vowel get double de in the past tense.
Bo, bodde. Snø, snødde.
However, unfortunately, there are no universal rules that would tell you when to use certain ending, and there are many exceptions. We suggest that you memorize the verbs as you learn them. With practice, it will be easier to use verbs than learn rules with many exceptions to them. You can download our additional materials and learn from them. Now let's take a look at the strong verbs. Many of them change their form. Take a look at the following list. As you see, there is no particular rule here either. You will just have to learn and remember those words. Again, use our additional material to help you with that.